Washington, southeastern Stevens County in northeast Washington, until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a line of severe wind.
We'll be coming back with Nancy Wright-Hole, the other woman who
were located along the line extending from 13 miles.
Please say experts.
These ever not work for me.
The continued attacks.
Hamas again mistakenly believed.
Airway Heights, Medical Lake, 9 Mile Falls, Deer Park, Newport, Mulwood, Town and Country, Bus Orchards, Fairwood, Green Acres, Country Homes, Suncrest, Trentwood, Chatteroy, Bus Orchards, East Farms, Mead, and Ishman. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds, destructive hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where